What it means to me to be a nurse is the compassion we share for each and every one of our patients.
Every time you touch someone, hug someone, dry a tear, wrap a Band-Aid on something, a wound, you're a positive force. It means to me to be a nurse that I can care for other people. That's my goal, is to make sure that, especially children, and I guess adults too, everybody is cared for. That's my goal.
Love most about being a medical assistant, we got the finest doctor here that take care of business on top of their business.
Why I love nursing so much is because it's a vast variety. There are different specialties. You don't have to stick to one area. You can move around, and it's a learning experience.
I guess my goal was always to be a mom, and I think it has a lot of the same attributes being a nurse and being a mom. So I get to take care of people and be a patient advocate.
In most instances, the nurses are closer emotionally to the patients than I actually am, because they talk to them on the phone, they report results to them, they unfortunately tell them that they have to come in and have tests done. They explain to them what the tests are. I'm a gastroenterologist. I do some nasty things to people.
Since I work here for the last couple months, and the volume of the patient, we doubled the number. And I don't think we can do it without excellent nursing and MA.
MAs and the nurses are really the glue that holds pediatrics together as the providers go about their day doing what we need to do. The nurses and the MAs help make sure we're where we need to be and doing things in a timely manner and getting it all done.
For me, especially in this office, we only have one nurse. She works with 5 physicians, and she manages to keep all 5 balls in the air without too much trouble, and she makes our life a lot easier handling phone calls, calling in prescriptions, clarifying patient issues, interfacing with the hospitals, etc. So it frees us up to do other things that potentially can generate revenue.
I became a nurse just so I could help people.
Well, I've been wanting to become one since I was in the service and didn't have the opportunity. And the education was offered to me, and I took it and ran with it.
I got into nursing because it is in my family. My mother is a nurse, my brother is a nurse, and one of my sisters is a nurse.
Ever since I was small, I loved just helping people and working with people, so it's something that I aspired to do. I used to make little small nursing caps when I was a little girl in kindergarten and stuff. They showed us how to do that, and that's something that I always wanted to do.
I was raised by 2 nurses, and so that's sort of what drove me into medicine in the first place.
I became a nurse because first I studied health information management, and seeing the diagnosis codes and all of that and not being able to help the patient was kind of hard, so I switched over to nursing and finished, and I've been a nurse ever since.
I became a nurse because as a child I lived with my grandparents, and so my grandmother was a nurse, and watching her take care of other people and the things that she did and how rewarding it was for her, I thought that would be just as rewarding for me.
Thank you. Happy Nurses Week. This place would not be able to survive without you.
I enjoy working with them and appreciate them the helps, and I'm looking forward for the next excellent year.
Thank you, and we need more of you. We definitely appreciate all the work that you're doing, and we want to see this grow, and we want to see your role in the institution grow. Again, without you, we can't make things happen.
Thank you very much for all that you do, and I'm sorry you have to put up with it.
I'm grateful for the nursing staff, medical assisting staff that we have here each and every day. I'm so proud of them.
The thing that I want my colleagues to know about Nurses Week is that teamwork is important.
It's an honor to work here with such great people.
Show them that you care and just continue your education to be the best of the best.
Nursing is wonderful. I wouldn't be in any other field.